Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an automation in ManyChat. First off, log into your account. As you can see here under Home, we have a ton of templates right here, but let's just go ahead over to Automation on the left panel and let's create from scratch. Okay. Click on New Automation. Now you can go ahead and select the channel where you would want to start, for example, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. And then here you've got a ton of templates as well where you can go ahead and review. And if you like it, go ahead and start working with it. Okay. If not, you just go ahead and click on Start from Scratch right here at the top. Start with a trigger or start with blank. Now, here we have the flow builder. So what you're going to do in here is just go ahead and set a trigger. This section. So click on New Trigger. And then in here, what you're going to do is just go ahead and define what starts the conversation, such as a user sending a specific keyword or commenting on a post right here or clicking a link. Okay, let's say user sends a message. So just click on it. Now select a way to trigger automation. It could be detect specific words or keywords. So click on it. Let's say in your specific ad or video, you've said comment play, right? Play to play with me or even game. So if someone types down comments or sent you a message with this keyword, okay, don't forget to hit on create right here. So what will happen next? Now you can go ahead and go to the first step. So again, if user sends a message with this keyword or these keywords, go to find an action, a condition, a delay, randomizer, some Instagram actions right here. Click on it. All you got to do in here is just basically add a content. Okay, elements like text, images, or buttons. Let's say click this link to download the game. Add in a button. Now go ahead and select maybe open website. Let's say you have a website for your game or a Discord link, whatever you want. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and grab YouTube's website right here or URL. So hit on done. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in additional actions as well. Done. And in here, you can go ahead and add in images. Just click on images, select an image, double click on it. Wait for it to load. There you go. Now name the button. Maybe let's go. Done. Tap away. And then once that's done, go ahead and play around with the conditions. Okay. Or a delay or another Instagram step. That's basically it. Now, once you're happy with your automation or flow, well, all you got to do is just go ahead and set this one live or preview first. So when someone clicks on let's go, as you can see, it will automatically open up the link. All right. So there you have it. That is how you create an automation in ManyChat. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.